Hey everyone, my name's Leith. Welcome to the channel. I'm here in Auckland, New Zealand, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do the pistol squat in only one day. Now, I don't expect every one of you to be able to achieve a pistol squat in one day. Of course, you need the mobility first to be able to do a pistol squat. So the first thing we have to understand about the pistol squat is the technique. Now, coming down into the pistol squat, we need to make sure that we're able to balance on one leg. As we come down, what tends to happen is a lot of us tend to sit back, and to actually do the pistol squat, we need to lean forward. If we sit back while we're trying, coming down, it's impossible to come down as we can't use our mobility. So what we have to do is, as we come down, we actually keep the chest forward rather than sitting back. And that's why it's really important to lean as we come down into the pistol squat. And therefore, once we come down into the pistol squat and we have the mobility, all we need to do is focus on pushing through the quad. So as you're doing the pistol squat, focus on keeping the weight in the middle of the foot and just leaning forward through the whole motion. And it's as simple as that. So after the technique, there are two aspects that we need to focus on when it comes to pistol squat. Number one is the mobility. We need to be confident in a nice deep squat. Practice doing the deep squat by just coming as deep as possible and holding on to a chair if you need to. This way you can focus on your mobility rather than the strength aspect of the motion, sitting right at the bottom for about 30 to 60 seconds. Once you feel confident that you can get into a deep squat, focus on moving the hips side to side and creating some space in the hips. I know a lot of you are probably sitting at this position and don't feel like you can get any deeper. That's why you want to start by doing this with the chair. Continuing on from the deep squat is the deep squat pistol. And this is just extending the leg and switching your body weight onto each leg so that you feel comfortable at the bottom of the pistol squat. You can hold onto a chair and practice switching legs and extending. Once you feel confident, you can move to the ground, switching legs using your fingers, and then moving to taking the fingers away. Again, the key component of this, and to be able to do this correctly, is just leaning forward. As soon as you start to lean back, you lose it. So all you have to do is lean forward and make sure you have the mobility to stay in this position, and then it's just a little bit of balance. The next mobility, and it's slightly a strength exercise, is the side squat. The side squat is great for building quad strength as well as that hamstring and hip mobility all at the same time. It's a fantastic movement, and really this movement, I want you to focus again on leaning forward. And as you come forward, potentially when you're starting, you might only be coming to here, and the key is that you just use your hands as assistance. When you're coming down, again, you can use the chair to just focus on the mobility aspect, taking out the strength. I see a lot of people trying to keep the foot forward in the movement, and this actually hinders your mobility. It prevents you from going low in this movement. So focus on coming down with the chair here, coming down and turning the foot out at the bottom to allow you to open up the hip, taking it away when you're ready. Put this into your warm-up, focusing on doing about 10 reps, maybe even 20. Just go with how your body feels on the day, but doing this every day, not focusing on this so much as a strength exercise, but just about opening up the hips. So the first strength exercise for the pistol squat is going to be the assisted pistol squat using a chair. This is all you need. So coming down with a high assistance again, and just using the hand to help it pull you back up. And remember, you're going to be leaning forward the whole time. And when you do this, use the opposite leg to the hand holding on both sides. It's just going to be a lot easier for you to practice this movement. For example, if I'm holding on to this with the same leg, I just can't, it just feels wrong. The pistol squat position doesn't feel correct. Focus on doing about 6 to 8 reps of this exercise, and when you feel confident, you can do 8 reps on the high assisted. You're going to do this on the low assistance. Now the key is when using the low assistance, as I don't want you to lean forward and reach for it and then come down, okay? I want you to try and do this, keeping the chest forward and the body forward, coming down and doing the full first part of the movement yourself. I'll show you. Coming down, and then the hand reaches. We come up and we can use the fingers or the hand depending on how strong we're feeling. And then the top portion is all gonna be you, okay? So it's focusing on making sure that we're doing this by actually activating our muscles in a portion of the movement. If we're doing it like this, we're going to be building bad habits, and we're actually just not progressing the pistol squat at all. After you can do a solid 8 reps on both legs with the assisted here, we're going to move to the fingers or hand assisted pistol squat, Again, it's going to be very similar. We're coming down as far as we can, and then at the bottom we're going to put our hands on the ground to then help push us back up and get past that difficult portion at the bottom. We're trying to come down in as good form as possible in the negative until we touch the ground comfortably, and then push ourselves off to come back up. Now at this point you might already be able to do almost one pistol squat. You might even be there already, but however, this is going to help you build up the rep range so you can do more reps of the pistol squat. After you've done it with the full hands, you can move to just doing it with, say, 3 fingers, coming down, pushing up 3 fingers, and using less and less assistance until you can do the full pistol squat. Focus on doing your pistol squats maybe once or twice a week. You don't have to dedicate a huge amount of time to this. The main thing is that you're building up those mobility exercises in your warm-ups. Doing 5 to 10 minutes every single day in the morning or before your workout is the best protocol, and then you will be able to transfer your leg strength from other exercises to the pistol squat. All you need to do is develop that mobility. Guys, if you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, give me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.